Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to swap USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. So first, go to your Trust Wallet app. Then go to the browser at the bottom. Now search for pancakeswap.finance. Then go to trade at the bottom. Now you will see your page on swap. Click on BNB and change it USDT. Now at the bottom, from cake, change to TRX. Now on USDT, type the amount of what you want to swap. But I will type for 10,000 USD. As you can see here, 10,000 USDT, it will swap on 144101. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.